Car stereos play a significant role in our daily car journeys. Without them, it can be a tedious experience instead of an enjoyable one. Unfortunately, a lot of older cars are equipped with very basic units that don't really offer much. Fortunately, there are many aftermarket stereos available to the average consumer, and their basic installation requirements make it an easy upgrade. However, this task can still seem overwhelming. Luckily, Dasaita offers a wide array of universal Android stereos in various configurations to fit any make and model you may have. This is the Dasaita Vivid11. It is a universal double-din car stereo boasting a 13.3-inch display and offering up some much-needed smart features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Mirror Link functionality, just to name a few. So let's see what this is all about and unbox it. Dasaita has done a fantastic job at ensuring the guessing work has been taken out of the installing process. You really do get everything you need to possibly get this hooked up. You get the head unit and harness, audio output cables, auxiliary in and cam cables, a single USB, dual USB cables, GPS antenna, microphone, Wi-Fi antenna, power cable, basic user manual, CAN buses for universal fitting, and a generic USB adapter. Now, if we take a quick look at the build and form factor, this is undoubtedly a rather large unit. With its Tesla-style floating display, this will be a very upmarket add-on for your car. On the back, we have all of our ports ranging from GPS antenna, our power section, our audio region, reversing camera inputs, and much more. Everything you could possibly need to utilize a unit like this and get it installed. That front 13.3-inch IPS screen is a completely adjustable display, offering up the ability to rotate, move up and down, and adjust side to side. You do actually get a large amount of wiggle room when it comes to positioning this stereo in an optimal viewing position. Now, once the unit is plugged in and fully set up, you will immediately notice the premium look of this device, particularly that stunning 13.3-inch IPS display that will undoubtedly become a centerpiece in any car. But it's not just about looks. This unit boasts impressive features and capabilities that can transform your car stereo into a smart system powerhouse. With its powerful CPU chip and hexa-core processing powers combined with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, you can expect a faster and more responsive user experience. The interface is incredibly fluid, making it a pleasure to use without any lag or delays. With its latest Android 11 operating system, there are endless possibilities to explore. The Play Store offers a plethora of third-party applications, streaming sites, music, and much more. It will certainly transform your car into an all-in-one entertainment system. One of the standout features and an essential requirement today is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This feature allows you to easily access apps on your iPhone using wireless or cable connections. Or if you want, you can use both. The device comes with wireless connectivity out of the box, but you can still rely on a wired connection if you want to charge your phone while still using it. The interface is user-friendly and works very smoothly. Since it's connected to our phones, we can use the Siri functionality to perform different tasks without taking our eyes off the road. In addition to that, we have the ability to access all of our Apple Music and stream it directly from our device. From my experience, the streaming process has been very smooth and I have not encountered any issues with dropouts, delays, or interference. This feature appears to be quite reliable. Moreover, with the stereo's Bluetooth capabilities and microphone support, we can make hands-free calls. It is not necessary to use Apple CarPlay for this, as the stereo has its own section that appears automatically during a phone call. We can answer and converse with the caller directly using the external microphone we installed previously. As this is Bluetooth 5.0 compatible, you are getting a stable and reliable connection for both music playback and phone calls. So that is somewhat reassuring. In here we do have a powerful sound chip which enables us to customize multiple EQ options. We can play around with different audio frequencies, alter the bass, and just find the audio you want that works for you. You are getting lossless and 50-watt high-power output audio, so you should expect some crisp sound. Even down to the radio option, the interface has been made to look really nice, and it just simply adds character to that once boring frequency number that used to get displayed. Additionally, customization is available through the UI mode. This allows for the personalization of the interface through themes, color schemes, and wallpapers, resulting in an individualized look. You can make this look however you want. Thanks to Wi-Fi tethering and mobile connectivity, you can easily stream music, videos, and movies on the go. Whether it's through popular streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, or YouTube, you can enjoy endless entertainment options. The large display is a standout feature, providing an unparalleled viewing experience for movies and other content too. It's hard to believe that all of this functionality comes from a single stereo unit. The mirror link feature enables you to make the most of your car's stereo display by mirroring your phone's screen. This means that whatever is on your phone can be instantly cast onto the display, allowing everyone in the car to see it. While this feature may not appeal to all users, it certainly has its advantages. Overall, this stereo unit is packed with features and has the added benefit of a large, high-quality IPS display that can transform your car into a smart haven with endless possibilities. You can wirelessly take advantage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as watch high-definition movies. These features have their own merits, but they simply wouldn't be possible without the powerful interface that this unit provides. The unit is impressively fluid, feels smooth, and operates like a high-end pre-installed unit. It is a must-have for any car owner looking to take their car's entertainment system to the next level. With that said, be sure to check out this product in a link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.